How to get Roblox bots. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox on your device and log into your account. After you're logged into your account, on the left side, click on server where you want to have Roblox bots. Then click on your server name at the top. After you've clicked on your server's name, you'll find different options. Click on App Directory. After you've clicked on App Directory, you'll find this kind of screen. Here on the top right in the search bar, search Roblox bots. You'll find different bots. Select the one you want to add. After you've selected the one you want to add, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Here, click on Add App. After you've clicked on Add App in here, scroll down at the bottom and simply click on Continue. After you've clicked on Continue, you'll find Authorize. Click on Authorize, and then you're good to go. This is how to get Roblox bots. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.